Also coming on to all the new features that WhatsApp is now getting out, like list messages, etc., that we just saw onto the slide. Perfect. Thank you so much, Anila. So hey guys, like Anila was just mentioning, right? The scale of what JioMart is. Now, what I'm gonna do today is I'm actually gonna take you through a live implementation of them itself. So I'm gonna go to their customer care number. So this is my live WhatsApp right now. I'm going to the WhatsApp bot called as JioMart. They have a business account set up, which is why you're able to see that green tech mark coming on. You are able to see the names, etc. So this all stuff is something that you will get, when you get onboarded, as a business through WhatsApp from a business solutions provider, and only then it's perfect, right? To start interacting with the bot itself, you just require something like a hi or a quick start message, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going ahead and typing in a hi. As soon as I type in hi, the bot comes into action. It quickly responds back to me and says that, hey, Yuvraj, I'm JioMart's virtual assistant. How can I help you today? So as soon as I just type in hi, the bot itself is able to go on the background. It's done so much things, right? It's captured my phone number from this WhatsApp. It's gone to the Jio's CRM system. It's understanding that, with this number, what is the user that is associated to the account, and then that's how they're able to pick out and say, hey Yuvraj, and that's exactly where they start the personalization. Also coming on to all the new features that WhatsApp is now getting out, like list messages, etc., that we just saw onto the slide. Let's see how they actually look like, right? So when I just click on the menu, I'm actually now able to see a proper menu and just click on any one of these options and proceed in my flow. Typically, traditionally WhatsApp was always considered to be a text heavy channel, and that's something that is changing a lot now with the launch of these business and the new features that are coming through. In fact, just with check order status, like typically everyone, I'm sure you would have gone through a flow like check order status, and majority of the times what happens is you are asked with another question saying that, hey, can you please share your order ID? But that's not the case with Jio, right? Because the way Haptik has implemented this bot is we have made sure that the user has to provide minimum inputs and get their results as fast as possible. So in this case, instead of asking an order ID from the user, we are actually providing the top three recent order IDs, that was interacted with. So here I can see there are three order IDs. One order was booked on 29th November. The other one was also booked on 29th. And then the third one on the 9th of November. I could also go, more historic orders. I can just type in more. But typically, we have seen that, users will only want to know order statuses of the, past 3 or 5 orders. And that's something that we can, program it accordingly, right? In this case, let's go ahead and, showcase you what would happen if I just want to get more details about the order item 1. I don't even have to type in a full-fledged order ID. I'll just type in 1, and the bot is able to associate that 1 with the first order ID. And now it's giving me a detail saying, hey, this order was placed on 29th of November. The correct status is delivered. This is the amount that the order was placed on. What was the shipment contained? And then in case if I need an invoice or the shipping details, etc., that who signed the order, etc., I can literally just click on view detail. Again, this is a new feature which is buttons being enabled on WhatsApp now. So I can click on it and I'm seeing that a PDF is generated and I'm able to see in order detailed PDF being shared to me. Now, typically this, utilizing another channel, I would have probably gone through like a customer care, waited up onto the phone for about 5 to 10 minutes depending upon how busy the call center is, and then they would have asked me bunch of questions. Here the questions were asked but with the preempted data already available, so with a click of like 3 clicks I was able to get to my desired result which I wanted. And that's how, powerful WhatsApp as a channel is. And with Haptics, the self-serve capabilities that we have brought in, it's becoming very easy and a great customer experience for any and every customers who are interacting with the bot.